This 2020 Keystone Fuzion 427 triple slide, 1.5 baths, 13 feet garage is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Keystone is 43 feet 6 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, self-contained, skylight, auxiliary battery, TV, slideout, air conditioning, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Fuzion 427 triple slide, 1.5 baths, 13 feet garage is 15,900 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.